Okay, so my computer just crashed, so be careful with, make sure you go to the autosave and auto backup discussion area that I put there. There's an option that saves automatic your file. So that way if you can recover the last saved scene, even if you didn't save it, the software does it for you and you don't, lose whatever you did on the last hour or two. So make sure you go for that and set it up so that you can recover your latest version. But I tried to recreate some of it. Let me show you what you can do here with the box. Let's say that you wanted to make it like a cushion with soft edges. Let's say that you have the couch, but you also want to have a want to have the cushions on it, right? So there is an option here that you can do under the modeling section. So you go mesh, smooth, okay, and you may say, well, but that doesn't look right. That looks like a little squashed up egg. So what you're going to do is go to the Polycube 1 node, and you're going to increase the subdivisions. And as you can see, as you start doing that, the edges start kind of coming back, you see, and it starts getting a little bit more round. So that's a good way to make your cushion, okay? And then you duplicate it a few times. The other thing I wanted to show you is to make a color change, right? Right now everything looks gray. So you have the option of creating a material. So go Windows, Rendering Editors, Hypershade, this one with the little sphere there. You can also have it here. Okay, so that's where your materials are. I would say start with the blend, which is a basic material, and you're going to see the attributes over here. So let's middle mouse with alternate and click it there in place. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here and then right click over the blend material, and I'm going to choose the assign material to selection. And right now nothing happens because the material is gray, but let's change the color over here and let's make it magenta. Oh, I applied it to the whole scene. Oh no, I changed the Lambert instead. So let's undo that, Control C, and this is the one we want. So let's make sure we do that. Assign material to viewport selection, and click, make it magenta, and now we did it correct. Okay, so just remember to have your object selected so that it applies it to that specific object. That way you can change materials, and then if you want to create another material for, let's say, the cushion, just go back, go blend, and check the cushion, and on the blend add node, just right click, assign viewport material to viewport selection, and then I'm going to change it to here to maybe a brown color, maybe orange, kind of brown. Oh, I did it again. Huh. That's not what I wanted. I changed the default number, that one there, and this one here, there, just change it to brown. There you go. And that's how we do it, and then render it. Okay, so the other thing I wanted to double check with you is to make sure that you do auto backup, auto save. It's going to save you time, and after this just render, which we already did right over here, and save this one to the classroom file, save image. Okay, so I'm sorry I forgot about that. Excellent. So I look forward to seeing your work.